Hi everyone. I guess I have been missing for a long period of time. So I was busy in a festive season. I was also in a fact that I missed those consistency in multiple days from the past 1 month, I guess. So need not to worry, but I'm back again. So I will continue from here daily onwards. And what I will do, I will start using my videos to from the previous session. Like I will continue the journey from there itself. So I need to recall. So if I recall where we were, we were in a phase where we were doing the part of the admin section, and we have integrated the APIs. But I guess the data is not working for the APIs. So I have tried to find a solution, read about it in during my days. I was not missing at all. I have also another topics to read, like I was reading about Kafka and sort of those things. So let's get back to our work, not to cry over the split mic or other sort of things. So this is the Jira, where we have API integration, containerization, and deployment. So first it was in progress, and we know that due date has been passed because of the inconsistency. So let's change it first. So I guess API integration could be done in 2 or 3 days more. So let's mark it there, should be in, I guess by Wednesday we will complete that. And then we will do the part of deployment and containerization. And specifically in API integration where were, we were in the part of post review, admin post and admin user review. So both are in progress. So we will do this. So let's get back to the code. And in the code, you can see we are reading about post reviews. So it is the backend code, it is the front end code. So let me restart the server. Npm run dev, and let's start the backend server as well. Python app.py. Let me see if any of one starts. I guess front end will start first. So I can see data is there, and it's the again get request. So in the table, I guess it's the get request. We don't require this or require this. We will see that. Yeah, it's a get request. So now you can see we are in the login page. We're in the admin part. Issue is that the backend has not started yet. See if I do load resource. Okay, I'm trying to restart the server. And any of those changes has not been sent to backend, basically sent to get record itself. We'll add that as well. So what we can see, the post review admin API, we don't have any get request. So that also will be required here. So let me add that in the task itself. That task will be there in the backend. Using API for post review get method for admin section. And we will try to finish it by today itself. Let's mark this date due date as today itself. We will run this and get started. So let me show you first. I guess it is taking some time. You see this. Okay, so is high. We can check that it's updates. Yes, it's update that's taking place. So we cannot do much. Okay. So now let's say user review. So user got a name. But when I do the post review, it says error response because we don't find these things. So this is the thing. So first let's resolve the get request. Get and here admin will be able to fetch the request. Fetch the review post. This what it will do. We will not require any of the argument, but we require to send all of those things which it requires, like the post detail where the user has been marked for review. The post has been marked for review. So it's an API call or DB call, so we must write in a try, and where posts will be equals to, again it will be nothing. This will be there. Now we will filter by under review equals to true. Now first all, and then if there is an exception, except SQL alchemy error, what will we do? We will return message as e database error. This is formatted e comma 200 or not 200. It will be 4 500. A database error is 500. MSG is message complete. So now one thing, what that one thing is, send that in format of page generation. If you see review of user, let's in the front end review user review per ready. So if you see the fetch again, it will be page number. We require those things. So let me add that. Now got page in it. It will become posts. If posts, now it is similar to like this way. Now within review messages type and post. Now what the post ID will require, user ID, post ID. Let's move this here. Now let's check the model. What are different things used? User ID, username. Is user ID just username is just for the post. we will require post file name. So file name is storing the image itself, so we require to change the caption. Basically, caption we require the file name as well. U.caption. Instead of user ID, we require username only in the front end. So let's see username and doesn't require these things. And let's say post require post file name. And post, this is also post. So it still says error, but two problems are there. This was not closed. This was not closed. So this is the issue. Change is required from here. So we can just save it and we can see the terminal. Let it restart the server itself, and then we will do those changes as well. So right now you can see the device there, so we don't require this. But you can see that these things are there. So we require to change the headers, and headers should contain the keys of the basically items. So just like this. We have to iterate those things in the header. So we will check this as well, and then everything is sortable. So this will remain there. So let's see first. So server is not set yet. See, it's taking some time. It's a good level of understanding. So just waiting for server to completely start responding. So the update might take a bit longer to respond to servers. I will try to fix that by tomorrow itself, that all the updates should be there before I do these changes. So let's see. We know that maybe this will work for here, and we update our APIs. So it means post doesn't have any of those things. Let's see the database itself. Does post have any review? Could we mark that for you? So you see no post has review as well. So let's say currently I am changing the database, but we will make those changes from the what should I say? I will make those changes from the web page itself. So we cannot see in data because there is no name column there. So I have to change the column name as well. So that's the task we will do tomorrow on the front end part. But I can just create the APIs, and I hope that will be a good work to start again. So let's mark that here as done. On the side, not on the side. It's just me marking that as done. Now admin user admin post will be completed by tomorrow with this changes, level changes, and then the one part that will be posted from user side, which I just did using the database. So that should not be happening. It should be happen through UI itself, and we will also mark those things there. So that's my today, and we'll come back tomorrow with those changes, and I will surely now we'll continue again. Thank you.